What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are reacting to Sarawak Panorama, Episode 3, Boobalong. Babylon. Sorry. I don't know why I read that. Boobalong.
He just said Boobalong.
You're such a child.
Like, I was like, why did you say it differently the second time I now looked and it says Babylon?
This video was requested to us by Alexius881. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You requested this a couple days ago, so thank you very much. We truly appreciate the recommendations. As you stated, obviously, we are going to be traveling to the Borneo side of Malaysia. We're super excited. So yeah, this obviously Sarawak is south of where we're going to be. But it's still cool to see, native traditions and things. And this is about his specific race or tribe, which is Bisaya.
Okay, this is exactly who he is.
Yeah, they are the only race that live in Limbang and Brunei. It's hard for me to read because it's so small. Jerusalem. There are three types of Bisaya, which is Bisaya and Sabah, North Borneo. Bisaya, which would be closer to where we're going. Bisaya Sarawak, the origins of Brunei Darussalam, and Bisaya Philippines. So they're in the Philippines as well, so that's cool.
Very nice, I like.
But yeah, so we will go ahead and hop into this. But before we do, if you would, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. That way you guys stay informed on our future videos. If you like this video, then like it, because it would help us out in getting this video out to more people. Also, if you would like to get an exclusive YouTube short shout out, just like this, where we're looking at the phone and we're talking to you, but you're not there, you're there, and then you're there, then click the join button down below. So let's hop in and check this out.
Let's do it.
So it did that when I started it earlier.
So maybe it just has bad audio.
Yeah, like this whole...
Maybe they did it for copyright
reasons. So you guys
reasons.
know, this whole part right here does not have any sound. So...
No, just leave it play.
Okay, yeah, we'll enjoy this natural beauty. This is Limbang.
Okay, since we're here, okay. So I want to know what the importance or the significance of this statue is.
Yes.
We have something kind of like this in Dallas, but it's more of like a herd, and then on each side there's cowboys herding cattle. So.
Yeah. That looks rough.
Yeah, it does. Look at him just grabbing with his feet.
Yeah.
That's kind of
Babylon
dope.
Festival.
Babulang itself. As of now, the 16th series that we have, that a lot of the Bisaya who have migrated over to Johor, to Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, they make it a point once every few years, they come back, and we're proud to wear this.
That's cool that everybody gets back together.
So we hope that by doing so, it is for us to preserve, to introduce our culture, our food, our lifestyle.
If you guys don't watch our other videos that aren't in regards to Malaysia, then you missed out on our Australian snack unboxing video. But now every time I think or look at food, because we film up one day throughout the week, so we just did this video for Australia about 30 minutes ago, and we had more chocolate than we've ever had in one sitting.
Easily.
So looking at that food, I almost gagged. Not because it looked delicious.
Yeah.
But I'm just so
full.
disgusted feeling.
Yeah. Look at those shades.
Yeah.
Bisaya
I am
population
a
in
Bisaya,
Sarawak
I like
alone
that.
is only 12,000 people, mostly residing in Limang Division. The rest of us are residing in big town like Miri, Bintulu, Cebu, and Kuching.
That's where Kuching is where Cheap Cheap lives. Hey, Cheap Cheap. That one's look at watch its side where the bee
Yeah,
is.
twitches.
He's like, scratch my side.
I got flies bugging him.
Yeah.
In 2004, we started our Babulang festival. So Babulang means that you are inviting people coming to your area. So the guy who being invited, he also had to make big preparations because he need to bring a lot of people. So they also have to prepare some cultural performance and so on. It's more
That's
on
cool that the kids are
Thanksgiving kind
performing.
of ceremony. So this is a gathering of the whole community involved in it, and the people who invited also bring the whole of his community to have a merrymaking. It can be in 3 days, it can be 5 days, or even 7 days.
How do you
But
get
when
out
we
of
say
work for that
merrymaking,
much
that
time?
every day they will slaughter one buffalo.
That's a good question. When festivals like this come up in your local area and you have a full-time job, does your company recognize these type of festivals and things and allow you the time off to attend these?
Saya Amit Anak Juat dari kaum Iban, berasal dari kampung Marasam, Ulu Limbang. Jadi kecukan Iban Bisaya. Jadi dari itu saya boleh mengambil bahagian dalam pesta Babulang ini. Ini memang satu tradisi dari nenek saya, bapak saya. Diorang kerja sebagai petani. Ini memang perlu, ini kerbau. Kalau betul-betul mau ikut pertandingan, kamu mesti mau belajar.
So it seems as though buffalo are a very symbolic animal, I guess,
I'm sure.
to this area. Well, they've got that statue.
Yeah. Well, it might relate to this.
Right. But that's what I'm saying. They use it in their festival for this tribe or race,
Right.
as he said. So I'd like to know if there is any symbolism behind the bull or buffalo, sorry. Let us know.
Luangkan masa untuk belajar cara dia, teknik dia. Kita juga kena mau biasa dengan ini kerbau juga. Kadang-kadang kalau kerbau yang tidak berapa bagus, dia pandai kenal tuan dia dan orang lain. Selalu dia, apabila dia di starting point ini, dia akan tidak mengikuti tali. Dia akan keluar pergi sini. Jadi jangan rest dia. Kita kena slow dia supaya dia boleh ikut jalan. Apabila melepasi pelepasan, baru kita boleh rest dia.
It looks like it'd be so complicated to stay on top with no saddle or anything.
Was buffalo like, heck yeah.
Yeah.
Dia punya tayar lah, no flower. Nampaknya suka dua bikinan didului oleh nomor 11. Masih didului oleh Sarawak.
This would be cool to watch in person
I
and
would be
attend.
willing to try it. This I'd be willing to try it.
Well, we couldn't.
I don't know. But I'd be willing to try it.
I remember in the early 60s, I was still I think in primary 1 and primary 2. It was held in Kampung Tanjung. The guest is by the name of Dang, and the host by the name of Mau. I was with the guest troop. It took us more than 10 days because we were using rafting, moving up river.
That sounded like such a fake rooster.
It did.
Like a.
It was too perfect.
It was too perfect to
Yeah.
be a rooster.
Having some kind of decorative rafting. So nearly whole
That's
day.
cool.
Once we arrived there, we were greeted with those cannon. I think few round of cannon being
It's like
fired.
a miniature float.
And then also the guests also firing guns just to symbolic that we have arrived. And also music called banding, you know, that ladies who playing drum. This is a drum with the violin and so on. So it is days and night drinking and merrymaking,
I'm about to sneeze.
storytelling, and a lot of other occasions where they are coming together to narrate family ties. Like
don't
what we
trust this
see
That
today.
rooster, bro.
One of it is a symbolic event of this piercing of ear. You know, a lot of these young girls, for them to wear that earring, the ear must pierce. So it must be in this kind of occasion. So,
Ya, untuk pengetahuan jadi silut, apakah untuk
Waktu itu saya masih muda lah. Tenaga masih okey. Sekarang tahun ke-16. Tapi memang setiap tandingan ada kejayaan. Tidak pernah hampa. Sekarang umur sudah ada meningkat. Kita
Oh,
ambil
goodness.
bahagian yang tertentu saja.
So you got to put all this stuff together and everything.
Yeah.
Dang. Audio went out again.
Yeah, it's all good.
That's this video, though. That's not us. Because it did that earlier when I was trying to...
So are these? I figured these bulls were huge.
Buffaloes.
Whatever. Like, are these babies, or are these like the biggest they get? Of course, everything in this part of the world seems to stay smaller
Mm-hmm.
than maybe like an African one, because its competition is so much smaller.
Right. It's unfortunate we didn't get to hear the...
It was still amazing.
Yeah, no, it was
It
a
looked like a
beautiful
lot
video.
of fun. I would love to show up for something like that.
Yeah, Alexius, thank you so much for the suggestion. I mean, truly, stuff like this is very interesting to see the native stuff that goes on in festivals
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
I mean, this is honestly something that I would love to attend, something similar to this.
I mean, I don't know if y'all have the same rules and jobs that we do. So if this was like a religious thing, you could get out of work for a week or whatever.
Well, you could, but your bosses wouldn't like it.
Yeah, no.
That's the thing. Like, there's a lot of things
You can't
that
lose your job if it's religious, but you can be very like
you can be
thrown,
ridiculed
Yeah.
when you come back to work.
or you'll get less opportunity, or whatever the case may be.
Right, like that's the thing. There's a lot of stuff that we can take off for realistically and not go to work for a week.
Right.
But when we come back, we're going to hear about it.
Right.
Is it something like that with you guys where you tell your boss, hey, I want to attend this event for 7 days? Are they going to like beat you up about it? Not physically, but like
Right.
verbally?
Just make you feel like you made a bad decision.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, I'm super curious about that.
Yeah. Guys, we enjoy these kind of videos, but of course, if you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button. If you want to see our future videos, please hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. And if you want to support us directly, hit the join button. And with that being said,
My name is Miles.
my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.